My name is Henry Matthews. I am doing an assignment for SAC 420, Module 5. For this assignment, I decided to do the Delaware City Refinery, Delaware City, Delaware. November 29th, 2015 is where the accident took place. The summary of the accident. Around 6 p.m., there was a fire that occurred in the OWS system. The worker on duty recalled hearing the pop and then seeing a wall of fire coming towards him. The report concluded that there was a fire caused by hydrocarbons in the depanelizer column, likely that backflowed through the leaking 4-inch concealed outlet valve. The fire burned around an hour before on-site emergency response teams extinguished the fire by isolating the fuel source. The report's analysis also determined that the fire in question was made possible by the combination of errors of workers on the ship. The night shift operator began draining water from the vessel. He thought it would be completely drained, but instead, because of the backflow hydrocarbon liquid and vapor backflowing from the depanelizer, a concentrated water flowed in the OWS drain. Hydrocarbon barriers made of a variety of flammable liquids, and when it found an ignition source at the furnace, it started the fire. There are 14 PSM elements. Those 14 are employee participation, process safety information, process hazard analysis, operating procedures, training, contractors, pre-startup, mechanical integrity, hot work permit, management of change, incident investigation, emergency planning and response, compliance audit, and trade secrets. Management of change. OMC is a PSM element that is figured to be the main contributor in the Delaware City refinery incident. It is a process for controlling and evaluating hazards that are introduced during modifications to facilities operation, personnel, equipment, or activities. In the report, it is discovered that there was a lack of competent OMC programs at this facility. If there was an NOC review done, it might have been possible that they could have discovered the potential backflow and recognized they needed more protective methods of insulation between the condenser and the depanelizer column. And this is the layout of the facility. Lessons to be learned for the industry. MOC review is important to check on conditions or any errors with operation, personnel, equipment, or activities. Avoid draining methods containing or potential containing flammable or hydrocarbons into sewers or other systems. Decontain activities prior to maintenance work when isolating equipment for the inventory. And this is the works cited page, and that's the end.